On the table's waiting for their shrimp fried rice. If you're this slow, I'll finish it myself. Move! Ow! All right. My fault. Take your time, chef.
Excuse me, this is the third time you messed up my order. Don't you meow at me. I want to speak to your manager right now. I asked for double meat, not double attitude. Don't you dare meow at me. I'm a paying customer.
Whoa, Subby.
You sure you know what you're doing?
Hi? You my DoorDash? No way. Thank you, little guy. Have a good night.
왜, 이마, 이마.